Hello everyone, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix cannot share contact on iPhone to iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can see that here you can see that the receive only and share, and here you can see receive only and not know. So how can you fix it? So guys, firstly you can check that your both devices updated with latest version. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general, about section, and you can see this device is update to iOS 17. So go to settings, go to general, go to update, and now you can see this device is up to date. So go back, you can tap on, tap on contacts. Here you can see my card, tap on it. Here you can see edit, tap on it. Here you can add phone number, add photo. Here I am adding memoji, tap on next, tap on done, tap on continue, continue, tap on done, tap on this contact poster, tap on it. Now you can tap on done and go back. Now you can try again. Now you can see I am trying this, and now you can see that this is not working. So second solution is unlock your devices and try again. Here you can tap on receive, here you can tap on general, and now you can see that the share contact is working on both iPhones. So I hope you will all know how to fix cannot share contact to the iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.